Okay, so there's not much left out there of the snow critters. Um, Not much left of the snow either. I might go out there for a walk later today, we'll see. Okay, so yeah, this was using the camera that doesn't do audio, but at least it does video. This was drippage from the overpass, and I thought it was so pretty, so I thought I'd share. And then, well, I had run out of snow here at home, uh, and so I went out and I borrowed some of the public snow. I borrowed it so that I could create this little feller. And there was a guy out there who was out with his dog, and he really liked him, really liked my little creation here.